Hi, my name is Brother Anthony S. Julian.
Ulit. Sige, ulit.
Hi, my name is Brother Anthony S. Julian. I'm from Sigal Village First Word to Geek Snake. I will maintain my learning by practicing the English language in my daily conversation. I will also be watching English movies and English tutorial on YouTube.
Okay.
My name is Brother Robin Campos from Signal First Ward, Taguig State. The English Connect class boosted my confidence to talk in front of many people. I also learned how to express myself correctly and confidently.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Brother Jared Anoite. I am from Taguig First Ward. What I have learned from this class is how to correctly and more efficiently respond to questions. So this class helped me become more confident in speaking in English and more come up with better responses. I also learned a lot of vocabulary words and phrases that I have heard before but never understood. It also gave me the opportunity to practice what I've learned through conversation during sessions.
My name is John Rarang of Signal Village Second Ward, Taguig, Philippine State. What interests me most is the opportunity to speak in English inside the classroom. This class helped me to develop my confidence in English speaking. It has been very useful in my job as a salesperson and also as a member of the bishopric.
Hi, I am Brother Roy Arbolente from Taguig Second Ward, Taguig, Philippine State. And I am attending the English Connect class mainly for my self-improvement. I wasn't able to finish my college studies, so I wanted to continue to improve my communication skills. Now, I can confidently talk to my classmates and instructor in English, and I'm sure that it will help me a lot in magnifying my calling in the church.
My name is Brother Jason De Ocampo from Taguig Second Ward. I enjoyed the fact that the curriculum uses real-world examples and encourage you to open up and express yourself. It was enjoyable getting to know my classmates and at the same time being able to improve my grammar and pronunciation. It also helps me that most of my classmates have great sense of humor overall. So overall, it's a fun experience.